there was this Uber or Lyft driver who kind of submitted this dash cam video of the accident, unfortunate incident. The video could be 20-30 minutes depending on what they took from the dash cam and uploaded, but the relevant portion within that video could only be 5 to 10 seconds, which will be impactful in your claim adjudication. So what this agentic AI is doing is it is taking all information, whether it is in the form of, like I talked about, those videos, or let's say if it is a picture of damage, police reports, surveyor reports, all of these are input to how you review a claim and adjudicate a claim and settle a claim.